Normal ke nyam biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel to kon ke larum kon linga jen gwaseme. Ler bana linga ler kwena tere wecha ka South Sudan. La census kwena dana de peg nat de jangai keje ler mchala re wecha South Sudan. Natin kon tilla National Bureau of Statistics. Jen bana lingo report me ci janya long kan kana malat ku kan la pay no ban je chulin kel ko do bran ci kan ya ka jen go de neir kontre wi ka so sudan kan yal de ka kwen ke de pegin de ngai ke ja mi jira mi jidit gore jen o jender subscribe de comment de je share ka de notification bell bo de je twan ko de ler ti de kan mala chu ko je gwas dan pay ka brech ban chure ler kana me an ler bu kon lingwase me mi chala de NBS chunga ke National Bureau of Statistics. National Bureau of Statistics kan tekan ka long medit ka kwenna ta kan ire konde la peng na da kwende wi ka so Sudan. Eno ba ngwana ba je ngach ki ba peng na ba je ngach tet kedian. Shikala do shigore ya leka ko be kan peng na be kan ka kwere wi ka so Sudan. Ano. Be ko peng na ndial be kan ka kwen ngoda kan kwen kware kan shop. Kan kwen kwar na shop de shikala do be kan mo be kan lat. En leno ba kwen na ba je tok gora yo gora leto ngwana ba la dakan gwad me chikana kular nena chikala do nena en wo ba na ba ka lunga mo kwen kake kan gor kan pes dangwal bakel you know mi kon kwen kon ga pes dangwal bakel ti kan pes tin kon ti dong de kan na de kan kula lunga kwen keja ka pes dangwal bakel ti cha ka lat bang lat ka ko mi te ka yuri cha kula ya laka kan yuri koni kan galat gwasa me kan gor kan yuri shop ka 100 million to kwor million to kwor ti kan kon lat kan ko no de kan de kan queen gwen de kan to ko ja no kan million to kwor gwasa me ano kan lat mo kan lat gor kan no ba ka yikam 100 million 100 million kan yuri koni kan ga gwich ano de lat mo de to ko ja 100 million dollar okay ambet jere mo kelew amma kana ko de alaka do we ken lat ke je tele queen kwarin ba lat ke te ke tele sansa ze ba lat la peng nen dial kon rewi ke so dan cha bu lon kam mi lat ke je no Dr. Agostino Ting Mayai jena jaram dan la chairperson of National Bureau of Statistics jaram dan te queen kwarte queen I mean queen nath tetet kada no chala Dr. Agostino Ting Mayai jaram dan la chairperson kiram dan la kwar National Bureau of Statistics yemen te queen nath pi tet kada jaram dana la rieda men go gorga yuriship 1 million budget $1 million budget to ba kwen gwin ba yakulat jen mo kam gane yuriship ke yuriti da mal to ka pet dangwal bakel ala National Bureau of Statistics chairperson Dr. Agostino Tingmaya chelar nena ano jene liep kene ne kontra agency ano ko de kan yuriship ke 30 million de kan ka approved ka national minister kana finance and planning ko de letter de kul to malat ka no jen me ne tong no wal ka fayra ron kin dang rawi jen dang ro ngwan o cha ne moch ka kwak ti de ne me de ne lat ka la kwak te ko ne de ngun kan kul ngun jen me cha ngun wal ka jen February 2024 e dan la fayra ron kin dang ro jen dang ro ngwan jen che je to to ma dundo kan ka bungun kwak ci jen chairperson Dr. Agustin Chajalarno men peno ba queen not ba to ki ba tuk o kan yu kan ngun yu re ko ne gore ne ken yam ajan ke 38 million la yuti million jen de badak dollar you know ajan mi sha resource ni cha ngun ke kwak men wona ke yo ko runwang ajan chang ni tok pa da me de ne to kare ne information di ala ngorke de ne kala let information di ala ngorke ka queen gwene tin gorka kwi election ka jana de ne ga lalet rek dawo kane kam long kane mu yo de ne nam de ne kul care out ko na me gore resources cha chine de longa lene ka teda loro bang so gore yo ko jal nat ka je gore yo you know a national population census you know wajen la rundang wala kanang you know dung do jene ko wona ko queen gwine cherun wel chaka denang they lat within 16 months they lat ka kor fan dang wal bakel garodien they ne come all the report ki data ni kono gor ka queen gwine dob dande queen kwade lat ke je ko jene mo gor queen kwade je lomba ngaje no peng nat kadi ba peng nen dial ba jangache ajalla lat ka kor fan dang wal duno de ne lat ka pedol bakel garodien mitira sources tigatin mira kwak tigatin ajan miti budget mate tene tam ne chutuk ka budget gone 1 million dollar mu kam ka kane ka jan February mu pai we ki me char lan metar wa jana de tiny metar 1 million dollar to wo de ne lar me de ne lat wa me cha 100 million me cha ngun lo cha tan wa cha jung ne no by kam 10 million dollar wa de ngun ga jan gwaz duno me cha la do ba ngun 30 million dollar kan ka bungun cho ken ka cha ne cha 100 million dollar cha ka san ka kunyo mo chu gab mo chu de tin antama kana ka tan tiken ko biken queen kware biken tok sorry biken queen not biken tok alo ba population ba je queen amene je queen yo gwas me ka dobra na chalat ke je ke tok English. The National Bureau of Statistics, or NBS, said it is ready to commence the conduct of nationwide population census, which it projects to produce required result in 16 months once part of the required 100 million budget is available on time. NBS Chairperson, National Bureau of Statistics Chairperson, Dr. Agostino Ting Mayai, say the agency is still waiting the release of at least $38 million already approved by the National Minister of Finance and Planning. What we projected in February 2024 last year is that if we are given the resources, we can complete this task within 16 months. And that still stands, Ting said. If the resources are provided, say tomorrow or even by the end of next month, we should be able to provide the information needed for election before elections. Dr. Agostino Ting said analyzing a national population census usually takes 10 years. He, however, said the institution ready to complete priority data need for the conduct of election in 16 months if the resources are available are availed on time. The budget that we require is roughly about $1 million, $100 million, and that was approved in February last year. We were then advised by the Minister of Finance that $30 million will be released right away for us to begin the planning process that has not yet been released. Dr. Agostino Ting further stated that the declaration for the commencement of census is ready and will soon be issued by President Kiir Mayardit, after which a census committee will be formed. The official pointed out that the major challenge facing the task is lack of resources and infrastructure for the institution. Those of you who have paid us a visit have seen where we operate and the human resources. After the war, and with limited funding going to be bureau, many of our key staff left the bureau and went to the NGO world. Revitalize the peace agreement mandate the unity government to conduct a national population and housing census before the end of the transitional period. The slated elections are expected to be held in December 2026 to signal end of the transition. So man goro gwas me ko ba kuin ba ku lat gor ke jeno ba peng na ba ja kwen ken lip ken yo me cha yo cha ngun $100 million chikan kulo me cha half de cha ngun $38 million me cha ngun de ne lar de ne tuk de ne ga tuk within 16 months la pet da ngol bakel de man da no gor ke balat ka kwi kwen gwene ke dar ko no gor ke ka kwi kwen kware de ne no ka de ne de lalet jen mulat ka run dangwel jade ne lat ka run wal bak ka pet dangwel bak le check no no me jana no gode nyaa kel ka kwi population census ngode ka ten be ken queen na be ken I mean queen na be ken ko tok du no ngode ken ken la le biate man